Okay, guys, welcome back to my LeetCode series. Today, solving problem number 1431. Kids with the greatest number of candies. Let's go. So, zoom here. There are 10 kids with candies, right? So that's an array this. You're given an integer array candies where each candy, okay, represents the number of candies that each kid has. And an integer extra candies denoting the number of extra candies that you have. Return a Boolean array result of len n, where each result is true if, after giving each kid all the extra candies, they have the greatest number of candies among all the kids, or false otherwise. Uh, Note that multiple kids can have the greatest number of candies. Okay, so this is kind of simple problem. Uh, so you have This is the array, and each element represents the kid and how many candies each kid has, right? And this is the extra candy. So the extra is going to be the extra candies here, 3, right? So what you need to do is uh, loop through this array. Each element, you add the 3, right? So 2 plus 3 is going to be 5. 3 plus 3 is going to be 6. 5 plus 3 is going to be 8. 1 plus 3 is going to be 4, and 3 plus 3 is going to be 6. Oh, and yeah, and then you compare, like, is this bigger than the biggest number of here? In this case, this biggest number here is 5, right? So this is the biggest. So is 5 bigger or equal to 5? Because here it compares to the 5 and it gives it true. So I guess it can be like bigger or equal to the biggest number, right? So is 5 bigger or equal to the greatest number of the array? If it is, you make it a true, right? Is 6 bigger or equal? Yes. So you also make it a true. Is 8 bigger or equal? Yes. So it becomes a true. Is 4 equal or bigger? No, it's less than 5. So this one will come as a false. And is 6? Yes, yes it is. So it's true. And then that's the array that you have to return. So all you need to do is loop through the elements, add, and see if they are bigger or equal to the greatest number in the array. Okay. Should be like this. Okay, let me see number example 2. 4, 2, 1, 1, 2, extra candy 1. So here's going to be 5 is true, 3 is false, 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 and 3 false. All right. 12, 22, true, 11 false, 22 true. Okay, I just added this plus the extra, see if they're bigger or equal to the biggest, right? So what you need here is an empty array. I'm gonna call it result. Uh, you need to know what's the biggest number of the array. So to do that, I use, okay, max value equals to max of candies, and I will need to loop through every candy, right? So here for each candies as candy, and then you just compare if candy plus the extra candies is bigger or equal to the max value. So if it's bigger or equal to the max value, I will array push into my result, true. Otherwise, I will array push a false. This is like a simple solution. I guess I could do like more performant way, or I could just traverse the loop like from the beginning and from the end, make them meet. But I don't know, sometimes PHP works in mysterious ways, right? So here I just return the result. Oops. And I guess it's supposed to work. Exactly. Time complexity of this is going to be O of n, because you have a loop here, and you probably have a loop here to find the biggest. I don't know how PHP works with the max function, but maybe. So you have this and this. So as a 2n, the result is O of n. Thank you very much, and please leave a like to help a lot the channel. And yeah, see you next time.